What if I told you that the most advanced AI robots on Earth aren't coming out of China, but right here in the USA? From mind-blowing humanoids to battlefield-ready machines, these 10 shocking American-made robots are years ahead, and China can't catch up. The global race for AI supremacy is heating up, but the US still dominates when it comes to raw tech power. America's decentralized ecosystem, fueled by Silicon Valley giants, non-stop innovation, and unmatched compute firepower, is outpacing China's state-led push. With control over the world's most advanced AI chips, a lead in breakthrough research, and 10 times more AI virtual employees in real-world deployment, the US isn't just winning, it's redefining what's possible. These 10 robots prove it. Let's dive into the top 10 shocking American AI robots that China simply can't compete with, exploring the cutting-edge tech, mind-blowing capabilities, and the very real ways these robots are changing our world. Meet Optimus Gen 2, Tesla's latest leap in humanoid robotics. Standing 5'8" and weighing 150 pounds, and 22 pounds lighter than its predecessor Optimus Gen 2, is engineered for agility, speed, and human-like dexterity. Its hands boast 11 degrees of freedom, allowing it to handle delicate objects like eggs without breaking them. Powered by Tesla's full self-driving neural networks, it navigates complex environments, follows voice commands, and adapts to new tasks on the fly. With a 2.3 kilowatt battery, it can operate for up to 5 hours, performing everything from assembly line work to household chores. Its 30% increase in walking speed and 60% improvement in overall movement make it one of the most advanced and versatile robots ever built. Tesla envisions Optimus Gen 2 revolutionizing manufacturing, logistics, and even home assistance, ushering in a future where robots are as common as smartphones. Atlas is the stuff of robotics legend. Developed by Boston Dynamics, this fully electric humanoid robot is famed for its extraordinary agility and strength. Atlas can sprint at over 5 miles per hour, leap over obstacles, perform backflips, and recover from falls with uncanny balance. Its 28 electric joints and custom actuators enable a range of motion that exceeds human capability, while advanced sensors and onboard AI allow it to navigate unpredictable environments. Atlas is not just a research marvel, it's being tested for real-world applications in disaster response, search and rescue, and hazardous industrial tasks. Its dynamic movement and split-second adaptability make it a benchmark for humanoid robotics worldwide. Figure 2 is making waves as one of the most advanced AI humanoid robots on the market. Built on NVIDIA's powerful AI platform, Figure 2 combines real-time vision processing with fluid, human-like motion. Its articulated frame and dexterous robotic hands allow it to handle complex assembly tasks alongside human workers. Figure 2's collaboration with BMW has proven its efficiency in manufacturing and logistics, where it can quickly adapt to new workflows and environments. With a sleek, futuristic design and natural movement, Figure 2 is bridging the gap between man and machine, making human-robot collaboration seamless and intuitive. Digit is a game-changer for warehouse and logistics automation. Standing 5'9" and weighing 82 pounds, Digit can carry loads up to 35 pounds and navigate environments designed for humans, including stairs and tight spaces. Its unique leg design, inspired by human anatomy, allows it to balance, crouch, and reach high shelves with ease. Digit's advanced perception and manipulation systems let it handle totes, packages, and other materials safely and efficiently. Already deployed in real warehouses, Digit is transforming supply chains by working alongside human teams, boosting productivity and reducing the need for costly infrastructure changes. Now, if you think China can't compete with USA at all, make sure to watch the video shown on your screen to see which Chinese AI robots are so good that America can't make similar one. Apollo, from Texas-based Apptronik, is a versatile humanoid robot built for industrial and commercial environments. Standing 5'8" and weighing 160 pounds, Apollo can lift up to 55 pounds and operate for 4 hours on a single swappable battery. Its modular design allows for easy upgrades and customization, while proprietary linear actuators in its joints provide smooth, reliable movement. Apollo is designed to work collaboratively with humans, performing tasks that require both strength and dexterity. With roots in NASA's robotics labs, Apollo brings space-age technology to Earth's factories, warehouses, and even hospitals. Ameca, created by Engineered Arts, is the world's most expressive humanoid robot. Its lifelike facial expressions and conversational AI make it a star at exhibitions, research labs, and media events. Ameca's advanced motion control and real-time language processing enable natural interactions with people, making it ideal for customer service, education, and entertainment. Its modular construction allows for rapid upgrades, ensuring it stays at the cutting edge of both robotics and AI. Ameca's ability to engage, empathize, and respond in real time sets a new standard for human-robot communication. Beomni stands at the forefront of general-purpose robotics, redefining what it means for a machine to be truly adaptable. Unlike most robots designed for a narrow set of tasks, Beomni is engineered to learn and perform virtually any physical job, from skilled medical procedures to everyday chores. Its design features two highly dexterous arms with opposable thumbs, allowing it to handle delicate tasks like pinching salt or tying shoelaces, as well as heavy lifting up to 35 pounds per arm. What truly sets Beomni apart is its AI brain, which is modelled to learn tasks the way a human does. Initially, a human operator pilots Beomni using a virtual reality headset and gloves, seeing through the robot's cameras and controlling its hands with precision. This immersive teleoperation allows Beomni to be trained in real-world scenarios, from opening bottles to performing complex laboratory work. As Beomni observes and repeats these tasks, its AI learns and gradually transitions from remote control to semi-autonomous and eventually fully autonomous operation. Beomni's cloud-based AI can master entire professions, not just isolated skills, making it a flexible solution for industries facing labour shortages or hazardous conditions. Isaac represents a new era of AI-powered humanoid robots, built on NVIDIA's cutting-edge computing platform. Isaac's primary strength is its ability to interact with humans in a natural, intuitive way. Using advanced AI models and a sophisticated perception system, Isaac can recognise emotions, interpret body language, and respond in real time to changing environments. Its realistic design and smooth coordinated movements make it approachable and trustworthy, ideal for roles in customer service, healthcare, and education. Powered by NVIDIA's Isaac GR0T N1 Foundation model, Isaac leverages a dual-system AI inspired by human cognition. One system for fast, instinctive actions, and another for slower, deliberate decision-making. This allows Isaac to balance quick reflexes with thoughtful reasoning, making it both efficient and reliable in dynamic, real-world settings. Isaac's ability to safely collaborate with humans in crowded spaces is a standout feature. Its AI-driven safety systems monitor for unexpected movements or obstacles, adjusting its actions instantly to prevent accidents. Whether assisting patients in a hospital, guiding customers in a store, or teaching students in a classroom, Isaac is designed to be a helpful, non-intrusive presence. Alta 3 is a remarkable humanoid robot born from collaboration between American and Japanese researchers, pushing the boundaries of human-robot interaction. Powered by advanced AI, including GPT-4, Alta 3 can generate smooth, coordinated motions from simple verbal instructions, freeing it from the need for explicit programming. Its 43 actuators, driven by compressed air, enable it to perform complex gestures, facial expressions, and even musical performances with lifelike presence. Alta 3 learns much like a human infant through observation and imitation. Using RoboClip, an innovative imitation learning system, Alta 3 can extrapolate tasks from sparse instructions and refine its actions with minimal supervision. This allows Alta 3 to adapt its behavior to different social contexts and collaborate productively with humans in research, education, and public engagement. Its unique blend of robotics and artistry offers a glimpse into the future of empathetic, expressive machines that can connect with people on a deeper level. Nadine is a socially intelligent humanoid robot designed to serve as a companion, receptionist, or customer service agent. With realistic skin, expressive eyes, and smooth, articulated movements, Nadine can hold meaningful conversations and provide personalized assistance. What makes Nadine truly special is her emotional intelligence and memory. Powered by a large language model, Nadine can recognize familiar faces, recall previous encounters, and respond with genuine emotions based on the context of the conversation. Nadine's applications span elder care, education, and customer service, where she can offer companionship, remember personal details, and adapt her responses to each user's mood and needs. As social robots like Nadine continue to evolve, they promise to enhance human well-being and foster genuine social connection in an increasingly digital world. As we've seen, the United States continues to lead the world in AI robotics, not just through raw computing power or research breakthroughs, but by deploying these technologies where they matter most. From the factory floor to the front lines of disaster response, American-made robots are setting new standards for intelligence, agility, and collaboration. While China's rapid progress is undeniable, these 10 US robots show that America's innovation engine is still firing on all cylinders. And for now, the future of AI robotics remains firmly in American hands. If you enjoyed this look at the most shocking US AI robots, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the future of technology. Which robot impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments.